Say goodbye to plastic water bottles. Say hello to H2O Tap's water filter, the ultimate solution for pure water right from your tap. Whether it's for drinking, cooking, or enjoying a glass of water, the H2O Tap's water filter provides a continuous flow of high-quality, filtered water right from your own kitchen. Say goodbye to unpleasant tastes and odors. Experience the difference in every sip. With H2O Taps, your hydration game will never be the same. Easy to install and made from stainless steel, it can be used with the vast majority of faucets. Its convenient switch allows you to easily switch between tap water and filtered water with a flip. And with a filter lifespan of up to 3 months, maintenance is a breeze. Join the thousands of satisfied customers who have made the switch. Make H2O Taps a part of your daily routine. Visit our website or Amazon and transform your tap water into pure water. H2O Taps. Taste the difference. Feel the difference.